Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to work with Google Sheet. So here I already have several documents, so we can work with Google Sheets by ourselves or invite several collaboration to work with us. So the collaborator will be able or will have an access to edit the documents that you have. So first thing we're gonna do to invite the collaborator is choose which documents that we want to share, that we want to collaborate to. And then for me, I want to do this to 8 documents and go into these 3 little circles over here. And then after that, please click manage access and go into this general access restricted. Just click it, and then you just need to change it into anyone with the link. And hold on until now it's being changed into anyone with the link. And now you also have to adjust either anyone who have access with the link as be a viewer, commenter, or editor. Since we want to work together, let's just change it into editor. Okay, and after that, just click the link over here. And now the link is already copied in your clipboard, and then you just need to share this link into your friend or your work collaborator by WhatsApp. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find out this video is quite useful for you.